Hey kids, hope you all are doing great and attempting well in your exams. So I am here with another session of your dance. Let me tell you that we have Friendship Day coming in the next week. So today I am here with a song dedicated to our friends. Now, what are we going to do on that particular song? That is something new, not really difficult, but yes, something new and innovative as well. So we'll be doing hand gestures choreography. I'll show you the complete piece of choreography first and then the tutorial. So just take a look at the choreography first.
तेरी मेरी ऐसी जुड़ गई कहानी कि जुड़ जाता जैसे दो नदियों का पानी। मुझे आगे तेरे साथ बहना है, जाना तुम्हें तो है ये बात जानी कि ये जिंदगी कैसे बनती सुहानी। मुझे हर पल तेरे साथ रहना है, तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी कुछ आधे, आधा आधा हम जो दोनों मिला दे तो बन जाएगी अपनी एक जिंदगानी। ये दुनिया मिले ना मिले हमको, खुशियाँ भगा देंगी हर गम को। तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो।
Alright, so let's start step by step. You might find it difficult, but it is not actually. Once you practice it, you'll be able to understand. Basically, this is a lyrical choreography, so I'll be teaching you according to the lyrics and not according to the counts. So let's start with the first one, which is Teri Meri. So it goes like Teri Meri, then is Jud Gayi Kahani, like you are writing something. So it is Teri Meri Aisi Jud Gayi Kahani. Then again Jud Jata Hai Jaise Nadiyon Ka Pani. So it is again the same thing, and then open your arms and then waves. And then is Mujhe, first your right hand and then overlap it with your left hand. So it is Mujhe. Now place your left hand like this and right hand is walking on your left arm. So it is Aage 1, 2, 3, 4. So waves with the alternate moves of both the hands. So it is Tere Saath Behna Hai and 4. Next is Jana Tujhe. So we'll take off with one hand. So it is 1 and then cross 2 and then 3. Bring both the arms down and 4, 5. Left arm is placed here and right hand is moving like this. 2 moves. So it is Jana Tujhe To Hai Ye Baat Jani. Then is left hand will come in front. 1 Ye Zindagi, hold it. Kaise, bring it back. Banti Suhani, like this. So it is Jana Tujhe To Hai Ye Baat Jani, Ye Zindagi Kaise Banti Suhani. Then again Mujhe, Mujhe 1, 2, right hand and then left hand above. Mujhe Har Pal. So how we'll do this? Make a fist with your left hand and right hand and index finger of right hand pointing out, and it is moving like a clock. 1, 2, 3. So once you reach here, then go back again. Move both your hands back and then hold and then bring it down. So it is Mujhe Har Pal Tere Saath Rehna Hai. Then is right hand up with your elbow straight, left hand up, right like this in horizontal position, and then left overlapping, and then join, and then extend, and then turn, and then make a heart with your hands like this. So it is तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी आधे, आधा आधा जो दोनों मिला दे. So from here is बन जाएगी अपनी एक जिंदगानी, and then is Moving your right hand from above your face. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. ये दुनिया मिले ना मिले हमको. Then is खुशियाँ भगा देंगी हर गम को. So first we'll do this happy face, खुशियाँ, and then is bring your right hand up, and once it is crossing your face you need to give sad expression. It is भगा देंगी, and then again cross your hands and bring a happy face, हर गम को. From here तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3, then मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो. Roll and clap, roll and clap, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो. So this was the choreography, hand gesture choreography, which is also known as sitting dance choreography. So I hope you all liked it and you must try it, and I am expecting much more videos this time because it's not very difficult. Once you practice it, you'll get through it. So do watch, do practice, do make your videos and send it to me. And yes, all the best for your exams as well. Prepare well and attempt well. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.